If mahilig ka sa authentic shawarma na very flavorful, hindi tinipid, more on quantity, nag-umapaw na karne and buy one take one, well, dito lang yan matatagpuan sa Shawarma Stations that located in Santo Niño Street, District 6, Burawin, Leyte. And they're open from Monday to Sunday, 8 AM to 8 PM. Medyo cozy yung lugar, malinis, masarap sa mata at ayos din tambayan. Sobrang sarap ng shawarma nila dito. Yung beef nila dito hindi mataba, purong-purong karne talaga. Napakalambot at well marinated, malasa din yung pita bread nila na sakto yung tamis at chewiness. And of course, dahil nga sa shawarmahan nga ito is meron din silang ino-offer na chicken kebab rice na malasang malasa, di gaanong kaalat at di rin gaano katamis at panalong-panalo ang serving at it's only 110 pesos. And they also offer a delicious snacks and drinks here. They have pizza Hawaiian that is sweet and salty and combines with ham and cheese and it's only 105 pesos. Nachos with fries worth 105 pesos, red velvet and matcha worth 75 pesos, ubi turon malagkit worth 30 pesos and their best sellers na buy one take one beef shawarma with only 85 pesos. At kung napadaan ka dito, bumili na sa Shawarma Station and I'm sure it will satisfy your cravings.
Di Dia Shawarma Station, marasan ira mga snacks, lalo na ini nga shawarma. So pakadi na ka mo, try it na.
Pakadi ka mo ha Shawarma Station, damot amon mga snacks, poro magrasa ade, damo gyapit am flavor, hit am milk tea, may danamon matcha, may Okinawa, may caramel, may dalgona, may red velvet, pizza gihap, nachos with fries, and then kebab with rice. May buy one take one namon hit amon shawarma. Anong patiyo ginuhulat? Pakadi na ka mo ha Shawarma Station.
Hello, ako ngayon po ay JD. Gusto po nga ownerhan Shawarma Station. Located po kami sa Santo Niño Street, District 6, Burawin, Leyte. Didi ha Shawarma Station, damo po namon mga snack na pwede po niyo pagpilian. May da po kami buy one take one na shawarma, regular and special. Ang amon po gagamit na pitahan shawarma, ng pizza dough, homemade po hiya na amon ginihimo. Kaya always fresh. For more inquiries, bisita la po kamo ha amon page sa Shawarma Station. Ano pa diyon hulat? Try na kamo nga diya Shawarma Station.
Thank you, Shawarma Stations. That's it for today's video. Follow for more.